In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy translation to Clipboard in DeepL Web Translator. If you're using DeepL to translate text and you want to move that translation into a document, an email, or a chat, there are two simple ways to copy it to your clipboard. I'll walk you through both, explain where to click, and share a couple of quick tips so you get it right the first time. First, look at your DeepL screen. You'll see your original text on the left and the translation on the right. The box on the right is called the target translation box, and that's where we'll be working. When your translation appears there, the fastest approach is to use the built-in copy button. It's easy to recognize. It looks like two overlapping squares, and it sits at the bottom right corner of the translation box. Move your cursor over that icon and click it once. DeepL will immediately copy the entire translated text to your clipboard. In many cases, you'll see a brief copied confirmation, which lets you know it worked. After that, you can paste the translation anywhere you need using your usual paste shortcut. If you prefer to copy only a portion of the text, or you just like doing things manually, there's another option. Click and drag your mouse across the translated text in the right-hand box to highlight exactly what you want. Once the text is highlighted, press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. That action copies the selected text to your clipboard. This method is great when you need just a sentence or two rather than the full translation. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Make sure you're selecting text in the translation box on the right, not the source text on the left. If nothing seems to copy, try clicking once inside the translation box to ensure your browser is focused there, then repeat the action. Also, be careful not to click outside the box after highlighting, otherwise the selection can disappear and the shortcut won't have anything to copy. Both methods achieve the same result. Your translation is now on your clipboard and ready to paste into a document, a message, or any app that accepts text. Remember, the copy icon is perfect for grabbing everything at once, while manual selection with Ctrl+C or Command+C is best when you need a specific part. That's all there is to it. Quick, reliable, and efficient copying from DeepL every time.